pork loin injected with Creole style butter in the smoker, low and slow, nice good smoke flavor on there. Welcome to the Weekend Warrior Barbecue channel. My name's Mike. Today we're smoking this pork loin in a pellet smoker at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. And pork loin doesn't take long to cook at all. That's why we're gonna cook at a lower temperature today so we can get more smoke flavor in that short period of time. And I'm using hickory blend pellets today. I want a little bit of a stronger smoke on this just because it is gonna take such a short amount of time. I'm not worried about over smoking it or too strong of a smoke flavor. Let's get into it. Here's the star of the show today. This is about a 7-pound center cut pork loin. It's got a nice little fat cap on here. What I'm gonna do is make some cross hatches down. I'm gonna go even a little bit down into the meat. We're gonna let the smoke get down into these little slices. So I'll come across this way and I'll give it a quick turn. And I'm gonna come across, make a nice little cross hatch. Just like this. This will help that fat cap render. It's gonna get some seasonings down in there, some extra smoke that wouldn't otherwise. So just come across, and that's how we're looking. It's about how deep I went. So you can see I did go a little bit into the meat on purpose. And right here I didn't quite go as far as I wanted, so make sure I go ahead and get a little bit more. And then same thing on my cross cuts. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do, this is a huge pork loin, and I don't think I'm gonna eat it all at once. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this right down the middle and turn it into 2 pork loins. And I can vacuum seal and freeze this other half. The other benefit of doing this is we're actually gonna get more smoke on it. So much more surface area. All right, look at all that. All right, now what we're gonna do, this is that stuff you could buy at the store, Tony's. It's really good. Of course you can make your own, but we're going simple today. So I'm gonna start by pouring about half of this bottle in here. I don't know if we'll use it all or not. And then it's real simple. You just take the little syringe they provide for you, put it in, pull it back. It pulls all that marinade in there. And I'm just gonna come along. I made these nice cross hatches. So I'm gonna start by going about halfway in. Let's plump this dude up. There we go, see it puffing up? I'm gonna go 1 in each cross hatch. Get lots of that butter Creole seasoning in there. That's gonna be really good. And some of it's gonna come out. You're gonna get some squirters, that's all right. What we're doing is gonna make this super moist, tons of flavor all the way down through the meat. This stuff goes good on turkey, chicken. I've used it on everything but beef, I think. We're gonna get it down in there. And I'll flip it around. We'll do the same thing on the other side real quick. So that worked out perfect. I did 1 in each of those cross cuts. I've got a little bit left over here. I'm just gonna pour it over top. Keep my gloves on and rub it in. Use this as a little bit of an outside marinade as well. And then we're just gonna give them a little bit more seasoning. So I got a little bit of garlic powder. Go nice and light. Just to help us form a nice crust on the outside, nice bark. So a little bit of extra garlic, never hurt anybody. A little bit of onion powder. And then just a little bit of paprika. Help it with some color, a little bit of extra flavor. Get that on there just like this. All right, those are looking good. I'm just gonna pat it in. All right. I will flip it over and I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side. And it's as simple as that. These are done as far as seasoning and injection goes. Let's get them right into the smoker. And I like to go about the center rack. And just in case you missed it earlier, I'm smoking at 225 degrees Fahrenheit today. And I'm using the hickory blend pellets. Get these two guys right here. And just to make everybody happy, I'm doing one fat cap up, one fat cap down. And I kind of want to bunch this up here so we get a nice thick piece of meat. So basically the way you put them in is the way they're going to cook. So we got two nice looking logs right there. Let me get this door closed. And we're good to go. We're gonna let the smoke cook this pork loin until it hits about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll get about a 5-degree carryover as it rests. Then we'll slice it up and see how it looks. I'll probably come back in about an hour to show you how it's looking and what the temperature is, and then we'll go from there. I can't wait. And we just hit the 1 hour mark. Let's pop this door open, see how our smoked pork loins are doing. So real soft on the top. What we got here? About 90 degrees on that guy. About 90 degrees on that guy as well. So we got a ways to go. Gonna get this door closed. We'll come back when it hits 140, whenever that happens. All right, we just hit about the 3.5 hour mark. And I think we're ready to go here. So let's give it a temperature check. Hitting right about 142 in that guy. 144. It's right where I want to take them. So let me pull these out. What I'm going to do is cover them loosely in some foil. Let them rest so we don't get too much juice running out. I want to keep them nice and tender. And here's our Creole smoked pork loins. We put that real nice Creole butter injection in there. And what I'm gonna do is we'll take one off at a time. And I want to cut into them, show you guys how these look. So here we go. Go right down the middle of this guy. This is the one that we did fat cap up. Let's see how that looks. Wow. Nice smoke ring. Very, very juicy. Wait till I cut into this a little bit more. We'll get you guys a real nice close up there. Now let's go for it. I'm gonna go some thin slices because I want to make some sandwiches tonight. Look at that. Beautiful. Can't get over it. Nice, beautiful smoke ring. You can see some of that Creole injection in there. Wow. And that other one I'm not going to cut up because I will be freezing that. But this one right here has been calling my name. Let me get a taste test and see how we did. Here we go, just in time for dinner. Let's try it. That is easily the best smoked pork loin I've ever made. If you've never injected a pork loin before and smoked one, you gotta try it. Do it low and slow like that, 225 degrees Fahrenheit. You get a good smoke flavor, super juicy. Take it up to 140 degrees. Get that little bit of a carryover. And hey, if you like what we're doing over here, hit that subscribe button right there. And definitely check out one of my other smoking videos. And I'll see you over there. Now we're talking. Let's eat.